Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. She likes to stop teasing me and pet me. Y'all, today we have Birch Box. I think I'm fixing to take a break from Birch Box, y'all, but it's a great way to try 5 samples of nice brands. They're normally, you know, like deluxe sample sizes. You get it for $15 a month. If you commit to a full year, you can get it for $13 a month. I think my year is just running up, and I thought maybe I'd give something else a chance, try to get my finances under control, because you know they are crazy right now. But yeah, makeup, beauty, skincare, all that good stuff. Fun. If you want to get half off of your first box, use the code VIP50. It doesn't give me anything, it just gives you 50% off. So yay for y'all. If you want to try it out, that's good. Now let's open it up, because you know me, I just want to get to it right now. Gonna get it, gonna get it. Oh, you got it. Got another one. I got another one. Ooh. Must take photos. Oh, I wish I could take a picture of that. Y'all, Bonnie is laying on the bed and one of the Easter eggs is like curled up under her head, and she, oh my goodness, she looks adorable. So cute. I can't get it open. I'm gonna have to put up another screen that says please hold for technical difficulties. Have y'all been liking those? I know I've put a few up already. I made it into the box. All right, are we ready? That I had to work hard for this reveal. Here we go. Yes, their boxes are reusable. And let's get that out of the way. This is the new style. They did this in the last box. They're magnetic. And when I first got mine, it seemed like it was kind of pulling apart, but I kind of pressed it back together and it's doing pretty well. Maybe not the most durable thing in the world, but works. Ooh, something smells good in here. Ooh, snickety peek. All right, let's see what this says. Ready to rebuild your beauty routine? Discover skincare staples. Hashtag Birchbox at Birchbox. When it comes to skincare, reliable basics are a must. The caveat: we each have to find which products work best for us. This month's box delivers samples to help you build the perfect foundation for glowing skin. I got some serious glow going on today, y'all. I used the Rare Beauty like illuminator underneath my foundation, and it made me so shiny. I actually put some powder on trying to tone it down, but man, that stuff really does make you shiny. And then I just put like a CoverGirl foundation or something over the top. So here are my products. I think I showed that already. Let's just start. Okay, so I've had this before. This is the Oribe dry shampoo. It's okay. Is it my favorite? Maybe not. Would I buy it? I don't know. I'm just going through. It's good on a pinch. This size is great for travel. Let's see. Oribe. This is actually a bestseller, so maybe I haven't given it enough credit. I'll try it again. Dry shampoo, texturizing. Dry texturizing shampoo. I do remember that about it, that I liked that it gave me some texture and some body back here where I need it. This is the gold. I'm sorry. This is the dry texture shampoo. I hope it's focusing. Full size is $48. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize lift. I always wait till it dries before I tousle it. I always shake this stuff up too, and then I like section it off and spray, you know, just do that away. Very cool. I love it when they send dry shampoo, y'all, because I go through so much of it. It also sent the Gold Lust shampoo and conditioner. And I actually think I have a sample of this. I haven't even got to try yet. Full size of this is $52. This repairing shampoo and conditioner duo rejuvenates and strengthens damaged hair with centuries-old healing oils and extracts of cypress, argan, and maracuja. Very cool. It's not what I was smelling though. Let's see. Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. Okay. Haven't tried this one yet. This is female founded. Yay. Full size is $24. Gently removes impurities, makeup, and excess oil by lathering up with this amino acid infused face wash that has a refreshing grapefruit scent. Massage over damp skin, then rinse. Very cool. I just finished 2 little samples of cleansers, so let's smell it. It didn't have a safety seal on it, y'all. Okay. I like it. I like the smell of it. And look, without water, you can definitely tell it's a soapy. I'll have to wash my hands when I'm done with this. Nothing new there. Do that like 1,000 times a day anyway. Wander Beauty. I like Wander Beauty. This is Drift Away Cleanser. So, okay, 2 cleansers. This is also female founded. Yay. I like they're doing that a little more. Full size of this is $32. This foaming face wash gently removes makeup and cleanses pores. Callie, you're tripping me out. It's also infused with skin. It also infuses your skin with hydration and antioxidants, resulting in a visibly clearer complexion. Sorry, I can't read, y'all. I don't know why I try. All right. You're closed. Right now, anyway. Okay. I don't know that I should pour this out, though, because it's very liquid. Might as well. I'm going to have to get my hands washed anyway. All right. I like it, but I like the other smell better. But we'll have to see what it does for my face. That's the real test, isn't it? I wish I had something to wipe this on. I didn't think ahead today. I normally have some kind of something over here to wipe on, and I don't. This is Comfort Zone Active Pureness Mask, Clay Mask Impurities. You can get a sample here. Full size is $39. This luxurious mask with kaolin and green clay has a mattifying, purifying effect. By absorbing excess sebum, it minimizes pores to make your skin more radiant. Okay, maybe we'll try this one tonight. So y'all, if you don't follow me on Instagram, on occasion I will like post while I'm doing a mask or something, especially if I'm not sure if it's doing what it's supposed to do. You know, I have such sensitive skin, like something's burning. I'll send a picture of with me wearing the mask, holding up what it is, and ask what's going on. And you know, normally it's my YouTube friends who respond, but check me out over there on Instagram. My link is over in my info page. but it's Taken Heart 0819. You can find me that way. Ooh, I like the smell of it. Ooh, yes, yes. That's cool. What does it say do? Creamy mask with green and white clays to absorb excess sebum. Looks purifying. Directions: apply to face and neck once or twice a week and leave to work for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Okay, I can do that. All right, what are you? Busy Co. Feeling gross? Scratch that out. Glam face wipes. Oh, yay, wipes. Clarify, detoxify, and tone blemish prone skin. One biodegradable wipe in each package. Cool. That's cool. Full size of this is $12. Busy day? Don't worry, your skin won't suffer when you use these refreshing face wipes to calm and tone skin while promoting health, healing, and skin cell renewal. That's cool. Crunched on time, this line is perfect for busybodies, sweaty skin, and active minds that need a quick refresh. No rinse required. Very cool. I like these. So what did y'all think? You got the 2 wipes, dry shampoo, shampoo and conditioner in Oribe, which is a good brand. Real Chemistry. This was a foaming cleanser. Wander foaming cleanser. Was this a foaming cleanser? Drift Away cleanser. It's a face wash. I just said it wrong. And the mask that smells very refreshing, very clean. I love that smell. Oh my goodness. Y'all, what did you think of the box? How do you think this box did? Do you think I made a mistake in not doing my subscription? Should I go ahead and get it again? I don't know. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, let me know. Comment below. Tell me what you think. If you've used the products, what you like, don't you like, all that good stuff. I love to hear it. Please don't forget to press all those YouTube buttons down below. Like, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. I really hope you enjoyed spending time with me today. Have a wonderful one, y'all. God bless.